Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly, for those of you that may not know me. Um, yeah, basically what we're going to be doing today is kind of fun. I actually went out and got the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit, and whoo, girl, like, oh my gosh. There is so much drama behind this freaking mascara. It's ridiculous. So ridiculous. And it's not even like just about the mascara. It's like all about beauty influencers, dude. Like, for example, one of them totally went on, what was that show? Like on TV, and they were saying how amazing the mascara is, but they had never put it on their eyes before. Dude, that sucks, because like, to be caught in a lie like that is like huge because you have a huge following, man. Like, why not just, be like, Benefit, I haven't used the mascara yet. Like, I obviously can't say that it's the best mascara in the world if I've never used it yet before, And I'm pretty sure like they would have been cool with it, but man, I don't know. But yeah, there's like a whole bunch of drama surrounding that, and it's crazy. I don't watch drama channels, but like, dude, I'm only human. Sometimes I get sucked in because the shit is so freaking interesting. Like, I don't even know how they find out about this stuff. Like, how do they do that? They're incredible. Like, it's freaking crazy. Alrighty, guys. So, we are gonna test out Bad Gal Bang. Bad Gal Bang. Whatever. Interesting. I mean, it does look pretty cool. It's like all studded, I really, really, really like that. I think it's super cute. I was actually going to like I'm gonna put it on one eye, and then I'm gonna put on like one of my other mascaras that I use. I'm gonna do it on the other eye. I want to see, like, is this one so out of this world you have to go buy it right now? No, I will never, ever, ever, ever on this channel ever make you guys feel like you have to buy anything. This is solely just for your guys' entertainment and my curiosity, honestly, because I want to see if it works good. Alrighty, so we're gonna go in. If I'm looking over on that way, you guys, it's because that's where my computer screen is. So it's I'm just trying to make sure that I'm in focus and that everything is, you guys can see everything. So let's put this baby on, shall we? I want to get up kind of close for you guys. Whew. Oh my gosh. It's getting like clumpy super quick. Like, you gotta like put that sucker on because it's like, oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Look at those clumps. No, I do not like clumps in my mascara. I just don't. That's just not my journey, Like, look at those. No, no. Oh, it just puts on so much product. It's like intense. Holy shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There's so much product on my eyes. Can you guys see that? That is so clumped. I hope you guys can see that. I'm sorry, I look like a freaking idiot, but it's so clumped. Nope. No. Nope, nope, nope. No. Oh my gosh, no. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Benefit Bad Gal Bang, like, it's super clumpy. Like, oh my gosh. And it just puts like so much on, and like, I'm not challenged, I know how to put on mascara. Ew. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on, this is the Tartiest mascara by Tarte. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it on this eye. I want to show you guys, like, I don't know, it's just like super clumpy, so just watch. And I gotta go and get freaking mascara on my fucking nose. Damn it. But you know what? Someone told me that if you get mascara on your nose, just let it completely dry and scratch that shit right off, baby. And it's gone. Anyways, yes, this mascara is way better. Doesn't give me clumps. Nothing. You know, I had to go and get my spoolie, my Anastasia Beverly Hills freaking eyebrow brush because I couldn't find another one, and comb that shit out. I don't like it. 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 I'm gonna return it. I don't like it. I can already tell. You know what I mean? You don't have to put on mascara a million times to tell that you don't like it. Okay? The first time I put it on, and this, I can't do it. I don't know. Maybe I have to keep testing it out, you guys. I don't know. Have you guys tried this mascara? Does it work for you? Did it get super clumpy like it did my eyelashes? Like, oh my gosh, okay, I didn't even do the bottom lashes. We gotta do the bottom lashes. Okay. It's just too much. I despise it at this point. Despise it. MJ, go please. Shh. I'm almost done. Yeah. So let's do my bottom lash line with a mascara that I like. Oh, it's just so much better. Because if you look, let me show you the brushes. Look at the brushes on these. See how the Bad Gal Bang is like long and it's like not, it's spiky, but if you look at the Tardiest one, it's got a lot more spikes on it. And I don't know why this one just like cakes on the product, dude. I have no idea, but this is definitely not Carly approved. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. Bad Gal Bang. Please, I would really like to know what you guys thought about this product if you did get it, because like, I don't like it. I'm gonna return it, and it's $24. $24. Okay, I got this one in BoxyCharm. I bought this myself. Returning it. Alrighty, guys. I really hope that you liked this video, and I really hope that I gave you some perspective and in whether or not you want to buy this mascara. I mean, hopefully it works for you guys, because I mean, they spent a lot of money on that mascara. So hopefully it works for somebody, because it sure as hell didn't work for me. Alrighty, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, girl, you looking so good. You looking so good. You looking so good. You guys like my shirt? It says, I heart balls, 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 balls. I'm just kidding.